Hello, it's Python Pyro. I increasingly feel saddened by the fact that the Pyrogram library for Python is not actively maintained. The last commit was 9 months ago, while the Telegram API is actively evolving. But there's no need to be sad. There are other libraries, such as Aiogram for the Telegram bot API. It's highly popular, regularly updated, and even has some recent innovations, like the ability to add reactions to messages. One drawback is that Aiogram only works with bots. You can't use it with user accounts. Okay, today I'll show you how to write a simple bot that randomly adds emoji reactions to messages. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, my friend. First, I find BotFather and create a bot using the command newBot. I need to come up with a name and a username for it. Note that the username must end with bot. In response, I receive a token, which I'll use to connect the bot. The token is a secret key, so be sure not to share it with anyone. I set up the necessary imports, create a main function where I'll run the polling to get updates. I will also create variables for the bot object and the dispatcher. To ensure the program exits correctly, I handle the keyboard interrupt exception. Now, I create a handler to receive updates. I use the message decorator to read messages, passing the start command as a filter. To start, I define a simple response using the answer method. The full name field allows me to retrieve the user's name and surname at once. I create a variable with the reaction. Make sure to specify emoji as a keyword argument, not a positional one. I copy all emojis into a list and randomly select one using the random module. Next, I use the react method to add a reaction to the message. Note that you need to pass emojis in the form of a list. It's time to check the code. Wow, everything works. But this part is unnecessary, bro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.